guys, this is Ben Cannon back with another video with Millennial Million. Today's video we are talking about the top 5 side hustles to easily bring in $1,000 extra per month. Let's get started. A side hustle is basically freelance work, a small business or service you are providing to earn extra money in your spare time while still having a full-time job. Basically, it's anything you do to earn extra money outside of your regular job. There are thousands of ways to make extra money while keeping your main job. A lot of times, people have these side jobs that ultimately become their full-time jobs. Remember, some of these side hustles will not work for you. Find your niche and pick the ones that work with your skill set and with your interests. For example, if you're really good at writing, try something that takes advantage of your writing skills, such as creating and writing blogs, drafting for websites, writing resumes, editing college papers, and much more. So to make at least $1,000 extra per month, consider trying one of these. First, sell used goods online. Apps like Craigslist, OfferUp, LetGo, and Mercury are great online options to market and sell stuff you have laying around the house that you don't use anymore. Give it a try. You can make some quick and easy cash. For higher end items, try Poshmark and RealReal. Second, advertise freelance services you can perform on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. Say you have a skill you're really good at. On these sites, you can advertise your skills. You can also bid on various freelance projects listed by clients that are looking to hire someone to complete their projects. For example, one of the services you can offer is building websites for people for a reasonable price. If they select you, you perform the work and then get paid. Third, open a car detailing business. Starting a business or side hustle like this does not require a large upfront cost at all. It can also be very lucrative. For this, you can offer a car wash where you come to them and wash their car using all of the homeowner's utilities, so you don't have to invest in a lot of equipment. Get the word out there and offer a special discount to family and friends to help spread the word. Fourth, offer a course or sell your own course on Udemy. Udemy is an online site that allows you to build online courses on topics of your choosing. Using Udemy's online tools, you can upload video, PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, audio files, and ebooks. Let's say you have a love of photography and have amazing photos of projects you've done. Make a course about it. Bottom line, if you are an expert on something, create some content on your expertise and create a course. Before you know it, you can be teaching thousands of people around the world. Fifth, and finally, if you have a car or driver's license, consider using those for your side hustle. For instance, try becoming a valet or a delivery person for Uber, DoorDash, Postmates, or even a courier for important documents. There's even an app called Toro where you can rent out your own car to individuals or rideshare drivers. Set your own prices, set your own insurance requirements, and set your own schedule. For all of the apps and sites I've just listed, I will post the links in the description below. These are the top 5 side hustles to easily bring in $1,000 extra per month. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, and like the video, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace!